Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Spain's current account balance at 8 GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 5 GMT. Japan's housing starts will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 17 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The S&P 500 notched a record high close after Nvidia's quarterly report fell short of investors' high expectations, but confirmed that spending related to artificial intelligence infrastructure remains strong. Ethereum is seeing the largest validator exodus in crypto history, with over 1 million Ether tokens currently waiting to be withdrawn from staking through Ethereum's proof-of-stake network. Ethereum's exit quote surpassed 1 million Ether, worth $4.96 billion. The dollar weakened against major currencies as traders added to bets that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates next month, after New York Fed Chief John Williams signaled such a move was possible.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. After a 1% dip during the last session, the gold-dollar pair closed with a 0.6% gain. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the oil rise 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.